Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming account ownership. Open account. Google, com on a trusted device and sign in. Once signed in, go to security and check recovery phone and email. Update them if you can. If the phone number shows cannot be used, make sure the number is active, accepts SMS, and is not blocked by carrier restrictions. Use a different verified phone or a landline for voice codes. Do this now so you can proceed to the next, more detailed fixes. Once done with basics, remove the troublesome number from your account settings and wait. Google often enforces a cooldown of up to 24 hours before reuse. While waiting, enable alternate two-step verification methods. Google prompt on another device, Authenticator app, or generate backup codes and save them securely. Also call your mobile carrier to confirm SMS and shortcode support, virtual, VoIP, and some prepaid plans fail verification. Make sure to document changes so you can re-add a verified number reliably. You finish by re-adding a verified phone number after the waiting period and confirming the code sent by SMS or voice call. If you're locked out, start account recovery and provide precise answers. When you created the account, exact passwords used, and devices or locations you signed in from, these details matter. If the problem persists, contact Google support and try again using a different network or device. One key troubleshooting tip: clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.